In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly and easily mute the sound on your video using the popular app CapCut. Whether you want to focus only on the visual content or add your own music mix, this simple step will help you set up the video just the way you want it. If you've ever needed to turn off the sound, stay with me and find out how. Before we begin, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. So, open your CapCut app and import the video from which you want to mute the sound or audio. Then, let's first listen to the sound we want to mute. As you can hear, the sound in my video is pretty loud and full of noise, which I don't want in my video. So now, we'll remove this sound to make the video quieter and more focused on the visual content. Now, tap on the video in the timeline to select it. Immediately, several options will appear at the bottom of the screen. Scroll from right to left and tap on the speaker icon. Move the slider to the left to reduce the volume of the video, but if you want to completely remove the sound, just set it to 0, and the video will be completely muted. And that's it. Very quick and easy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. See you very soon, and thank you for watching.